Welcome back to 3 Minutes with a Civizen. My name is JT Witt. I'm Talent Acquisition Manager here at Civis. And with me today, I have Matt Brennan. Matt, over to you.
Hi, yeah, Matt Brennan. I'm the VP of Engineering at Civis. So I get to oversee both our engineering teams as well as product and design.
Awesome. And how long have you been with Civis now?
11 years. Yeah, just about. Yeah, so
that's awesome.
Close to start.
Perfect. Well, thank you for joining me today. So last month, we released a revamped Civis Identity Resolution, or IDR. What's new with IDR?
Yeah, so IDR is our identity resolution tool. It's our AI-based tool for linking records of donors and citizens and other individuals across different data sets. So our data scientists have spent a lot of time over the past 7 years or so improving the algorithm based on user feedback to help make it really give the most accurate results. More recently, we upgraded IDR from being sort of like a module that was tacked on to Civis to being a product that's really deeply embedded in our platform. So it makes it easier to incorporate identity resolution runs into other workflows, organize them into projects, and trigger them via API calls. We also improved security, so now a single organization can have multiple workflows that are each editable by a specific set of users.
Awesome, very cool.
Yeah.
And we've been on a roll because we also released Data Crosswalk last month. Tell us more about that feature.
Yeah, so one of the first things a data analyst or data engineer has to do when they ingest messy data is standardize the values of different fields. So say you have like 2 files of school staff with their roles, and one has a V principal and the other has a vice P. The first thing you've got to do is map both those values to some canonical value, whether it's VP or vice president or what, you just have to pick one. So you can start to do analysis across the different data sets. So Data Crosswalk makes that standard task quick and a lot easier by giving a UX to map the values to each other. And we're also using some AI to provide suggestions of the most likely mappings to speed up the work. So then those get saved in a table, and you can keep using those mappings for your new imports as new data comes in.
Gotcha. Awesome. Well, speaking of AI, are there any insights you can share on other exciting things coming up?
Yeah, well, we just launched in preview our Civis AI suite. So IDR and Data Crosswalk are in the AI field, but they're more traditional machine learning applications. But these 2 new Civis AI tools that we just launched are leveraging large language models. So, we think that a lot of, we know a lot of the data analysis that people are doing in platform and databases is around structured data, like, a person's age and donations amount, maybe job title, like we talked about. But lots of people have plain text data sitting in their databases that has a lot of information in it that they can't leverage. So you might have notes from your CRM in your warehouse that from the most recent conversation with a donor or a voter. And LLMs are really good at taking the information out of that and making it more useful. So we released these 2 new tools, Civis AI Core and Civis AI Taxonomer, and they give a powerful way to both summarize that data or categorize individual records. So you can get the sentiment of the most recent conversation and then either use those categories as basically they become structured data again. So you can either filter based on them or incorporate them back into your traditional ML models.
Nice, that's super exciting. Thank you for sharing. We currently have signups going on for those who want to participate in trial of our new Civis AI suite. So if you out there are interested, check out our website to register for that trial, and be sure to join us next month for another 3 Minutes with a Civizen.